In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the satellite map type on Zillow. Zillow is a fantastic tool for exploring real estate options, checking out different neighborhoods, or simply getting a bird's-eye view of a location you're interested in. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. It can be any browser you feel comfortable with, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar and type in Zillow. Hit enter and you'll be presented with a list of search results. Look for the first link, or specifically the one that has the URL zillow.com. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're on the Zillow homepage, you'll need to sign in to access all the features. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up using your email. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker option and you already use Google, Apple, or Facebook, you can sign in using one of those accounts. Choose whichever method works best for you. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the search bar on Zillow's main page. Here, you can type in a specific address, city, or even a general area that you'd like to explore. After entering your desired location, press enter, and Zillow will start processing your request, bringing you a map of that area. When the map loads, you'll typically see it in the default view, which is often a street or road map type. To change this to a satellite view, you'll need to locate the map type control on the screen. This control might appear as an icon or a button. Sometimes it's simply labeled as map, or it might look like a small layered square icon. Look carefully, as its location might vary depending on the browser you're using or the size of the window. Once you've found the map type control, give it a click. A menu should appear, offering different viewing options. You're looking for the satellite option here. Click on that, and in just a moment the map will refresh to a satellite view, offering you a real-world look at the area you're interested in. If you encounter any issues, such as the map not loading properly, it might be due to some browser extensions or ad blockers that are interfering with the site. In that case, try disabling these extensions and refresh the page to see if that resolves the problem. That's all there is to it. Enjoy exploring Zillow in satellite view and get a unique perspective on your desired location. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.